Hello friends, welcome to Slide Hunt with the video tutorial on C++ programming. In this tutorial we learn about cout in C++. If you have already learned C programming, then you can remember we use their printf function to print something to the screen. In C++ we use cout to do the same task. But cout in C++ offer more features than printf function in C. Cout stands for console output, which is an object of OStream class, or we can say cout is an output stream, and whatever we write to this output stream, it will be printed to the screen. Let's see how cout is used in program. Here first we learn how to print text to the screen. To print a text, first you have to write cout, then a pair of less than sign, which is called stream insertion operator. Then you have to write the text inside the double quote that you wanted to print. So I am going to write here C++ is better than C. Let's check the output, build and run. As you can see here, whatever we write inside the double quote is printed to the screen. Next thing is, if you want, you can print another text here. Give here a stream insertion operator and then within the double quote write the string. I am going to write here cout offer more features than printf function. Let's check the output, build and run. As you can see here, first it print C++ is better than C, and then it print cout offer more features than printf function. Here two strings are printed in one line. If you want, you can print the second text or string to the next line. For this purpose, you have to add a end line after first string. So I am gonna write here endl, which indicates end of line, and then stream insertion operator. Now check the output, build and run. Now the output is printed in two lines. First line it print C++ is better than C, and second line it print cout offer more features than printf function. Next we learn how to print the value of the variable using cout. To do so, we need to declare some variables. First I am going to delete it and I am going to declare int marks, which is initialized to 87, and then float average, which is initialized to 56.12. Next we print these two values using cout. So write here cout stream insertion operator, and within the double quote I am going to write marks equal to, and then again stream insertion operator, and then give the variable name, that is marks, and then end line endl. Next line we print the average. So I am going to write here cout stream insertion operator. Within double quote I am going to write average equal to, and then again stream insertion operator, and then write the variable name, that is average, and then end line. Let's check the output, build and run. As you can see here, it print marks equal to 87 and average equal to 56.12. One thing I want to say here, if you want, you can print the values of two variables using one cout. Let's see how to do it. I am going to delete this cout and then give here a stream insertion operator, and then within the double quote I am going to write here average equal to, and then again stream insertion operator, and give the variable name, that is average, and then end line. Let's check the output, built and run. For this case, we also get the same output, marks equal to 87 and average equal to 56.12. And the last thing that I want to tell you, if we compare this cout with printf function in C, then you can find that cout is better than printf function, because in printf function you have to specify the format specifier, and for different data types you have to specify different format specifier. For example, for integer you have to specify %d, for float %f, for character %c, etc. But in cout we no need to specify any format specifier, we just need to specify the variable name. So we can say cout is more easier to use than printf function in C. That's it, hope you understand. See you in next tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. To watch more videos, please subscribe this channel Slide Hunt, and you can also like my Facebook page at www.facebook.com/slidehunt.